Alright, I have made a back plate and the two governor weights and the cone for the hit and miss engine, and I more or less copied this off of one version of the Chinese hit and miss engines which is being marketed, and I'm going to make a video. It may be easy to see, I don't know. As the governors engage, this thing that my finger is on is going to come out, and this spring-loaded piece here is going to retract. And this will all be done with the automation that's inherent in this type of governor mechanism. So watch close and we'll turn the lathe on and give it a try. There we are in the low RPM mode, and we go faster and faster, and there, it moved in. I'm going to slow it back down, and it moved again. I don't know whether you can see that or not. Just moved out, and it just moved back in. Now keep in mind that this is sticky and it doesn't have the same type of vibration that there would be in a hit and miss engine to make it work, but it shows that the governor with the cone mounted on the cam gear does work. I'm pleased with that.